comfortable with me? Okay, with it. Yeah, sure. Okay. So just practice the punch position before we go in. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, that's good.
I find that by the weight hitting you that way, actually when it's green, the actual instructions is that you're supposed to be looking, but a lot of people don't find out.
Yeah. So you want wave punching, power running, turn, sharp turns. Yep. Anything else you wanted as well?
Nothing much. If I see anything else, I'll give you some instructions. If you're doing it, if you go through it at your own pace, I'm not concerned. I'm not going to get you to go and do another parallel run because but I can do a few.
Yep. Also, sure thing.
Okay. And as I say, you can get them as close to the wave as possible.
Yeah.
To make sure that they're actually trying to balance the boat.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. Just going to make sure that. Three, two, one.
All right.
Yep. Push. Keep going. In. Yep. Right, me. Lock in. Perfect. Sharp turn. Turning left. Are you ready? Yep. Keep pointing to the surface. Yep. Yep. Blocking. Alright, and just point to the surface again. Yep, cod. Yep, perfect. Acknowledge the Yep, perfect. Make sure you also point to the IRB as well. Okay, south. You going south? Yeah. Yep. Four. Alright. Going in. Hold in. Point to the surfer. Yep. Yep. Get ready, get ready.
Go there?
Yep. I'm watching this, sir.
Stay where we are. Stay where we are.
Yep.
Stay where we are. Out to sea.
Hold it. Alright. See this way? We're going to crash into this one. Just lean forward. Perfect. There we go. Just trying to wait for a wave. Because I want to get you into a big wave, because that's going to tick the box for you. Right. Yep. Yep, return to shore. Is that say? Yep. Acknowledge. Get ready for beach position soon. Yep.
Yeah, it's hard. I just want to put you under a wave.
Yeah. I was trying to wait for one.
Yeah, no.
But,
If you do it again, I think if you go a little bit further down,
yep.
that way you've got more time to pick your run back this way. Because when you just go to the edge,
Yeah.
you're trying to find a sideways wave. It's got to be the right time. To come down, you've got a little bit more time to sort of
Yeah.
pick your
wave.
spot again.
Okay.
So just try and go down a little bit further. Again,
Where?
sending you down here to run over the borderline, so you did well.
Sounds good. 3, 2, 1. Yep, go. Push, push, push. In. Well done. Ready, power away? Yep. Nice. Power away, get ready? Clean. Well done. Remember to point out surface whenever you see them?
Yep, we're there.
Yep, perfect. Alright. Doing a sharp right turn. Well done. Here we go, get ready? Go, lean. Lean again. Well done. Yep, right turn. Point to the surface again. Tough. Yep. Copy. Wait, go ready? Ready to lean towards it. Well done. Lean forward to this way. Perfect. Well done. Good. Just remember to lean. Well done. Lean.
Stand by.
Was it stand by?
What's the position? Stand by, yeah.
Yeah, stand by. Alright, lock in. Get ready, get ready. Not yet, not yet. Alright, release, calm down. Alright. Lock, alright, lock in now. Well done. Turning left. Ready to stay? In. Yep. Lock in. Well done. We'll get one more. We'll go after this way. Point to the surfer. Can you see any? Yep. Get ready to beach. Perfect. Well done.
Get them to do a pickup.
Yep.
Okay, then swap over. So they swap helmets.
Yep, in the boat.
You
Yep.
don't come back here. Yep. Do it out there. So they do one pickup. I don't want to see again. I don't need to see you holding the patient on your back in the surf. It's a way of getting hurt, right? We'll do a pickup out of the boat at the end. So we'll practice that at this end, but out there. As soon as you've done your pickup, okay, you're back into balancing and being.
Okay.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so I think lying on your back with someone lying on your jazz back.
It hurts, doesn't it?
It can be painful.
Especially when they beach. Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, so I don't believe it's a safe process, so we'll cut that.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll swim out.
You can go out the boat if you like.
Okay, right.
Don't care. You can drop in where you want in there.
Yep, alright, we'll go all three.
As close to the surf, deep as you can get it, as close to the wave as you can.
Close to the way. Okay. Go your way. 3. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Just hold it there. Just wait. Keep holding. In. Hold on. Yeah, jump here. Lock in. All good, mate.
Really shallow here.
Alright, jump. Sorry, jump. No.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah. Jump in. You can. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, just go that way. Lock in. Well done. Yep, just keep going a bit more, keep going. Okay, yeah? Okay. Until they're watching, and then we get you to point to the swimmer. Yep. Point to the swimmer.
Swimmer's there.
Yep. Hold on to him, pull him up. Brace. Well done. Swap helmets. That was good. Really good. Wait here. Wait. All right, jump off. Yep. Well done, mate. Swim a bit here. Over here. We'll just wait until he's watching. We'll wait till he's watching. All right, now point to the swimmer. All right, hold on. Well done. Well done. That's both of us. What do you say after that?
No.
That's it?
That was it, I think.
All right. Signal for beach. Yeah. Signal for beach. Yeah.
You're going to hurt yourself stretching. Okay? Trying to bring him back down into the boat. But he was going over the top. So there's no watching the flipper.
got some strong legs there.
Oh,